Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is August 22nd. It is Tuesday, 2023. So I doing a lot of running around today, so I didn't get a chance to make a video until now. And it is actually 6:30 at night now, so there's only going to be this one video, and it'll get up when it gets up. Depends on how long, the uploading process is. That happens though. But so not a lot got done here today, but I will be back at things tomorrow. I want to, game plan is to get this gravel, some of it spread here. When I got back here, it was like about 4 this afternoon, and it was like so ridiculously hot. I was like, nope. So I might do some tonight. I haven't decided yet. I may move some of this tonight because I want to get more of this done and then get some more of it back that way, and and do that. I'm actually thinking, somebody had made the comment, oh, this cover, that's going to be a job tomorrow. Cover's going to go on here, so I got to get that done as well. But somebody had made the suggestion is taking the gravel and putting it here and then moving this whole frame, this whole thing back in front of the building here. I don't know yet. We'll have to see. But we'll have to figure everything out. But I got to wash my bike. I got to get out on my bike. I just haven't had the opportunity. Like I said, a lot been going on. But anyway, so I do have plans to continue with the process of getting things squared away, because I want to get this all moved. And so when I get the next load of gravel brought in, I'll have them bring it in and dump it back here somewhere. So then that way we can, or maybe over here, I don't know, someplace where I can spread things out more. Probably over here would be a good spot, because then I can start working on getting this. These all end up being parking spots, when everybody comes down. And as we continue to add more people, we're going to need more room. And that's another reason why this building may get moved back. I think it will. We'll have to see. But, yeah, it's, like I said, slow and steady. Trying to figure everything out. What are we doing? How are we doing it? And all that good stuff. But, so we'll get there. We'll get there. I got some, yeah, you'll see when I get going with what I'm doing. You'd be like, okay, what are you talking about, Prepper Nurse? But yeah, I got some thoughts that I want to do. I do want to do a door here in front of this shed. I still got a lot of room in here. I kind of got some stuff all, more on that side than on this side. So, I got this whole shelf here. I got most of this shelf, half and half of here. I got all of this area. This, I still have to fill in. I can put more shelving unit stuff there. In here, I got all up here, and I got back here. So I still have a lot of area, and obviously this is just sitting there for right now until I get that more organized. But a lot of room in here still. I want to get into the battery room, get some stuff squared away in there. So it's going to take me a few days to get it more the way that I want it to be. But I really got to get out here. Like, now is the time. It's much more comfortable now. So I may do some stuff tonight. I don't know yet. But, it's just, now is comfortable. First thing in the morning's comfortable. So those are probably the times that I'm going to be working on that type of stuff. I'm going to grab that cover. But I do believe I'm going to gravel that in between first and then push this all back. And in that way, when you're going to go into the shed, you have to come in through here. And I want to get, obviously, the bike set to one side. I can get the lawnmower and this four-wheeler and get them in here as well. So that way they'll be out of the weather as well. So that's kind of the plan with that, and we'll see how that goes. But it's just a matter of organizing everything. Looks much, much nicer though. I will say that. I love the way now that it's opened up back there. On the back side of her kennel here, there's some boards right here. And then we have, like I said, this pile here. So I mean, I could probably clean up some of this more. I don't know how deep it comes out. Like I said, it's obviously with all the overgrowth and stuff, it's hard to tell. But you know, getting this opened up back here has been nice. I could detach that again, pull that way, and hit over here. You know, I could clean up this area more, and there's more block to move, and there's some wood to move, and another tarp sitting there. So, you know, there's definitely more cleanup to be done, and so I definitely need to get on that as well. But, you know, it's just getting things squared away. All these blocks obviously will be utilized, you know, if not for one project for the bunker, there's other projects out there as well. And so, you know, we have... I have like 250, I think, blocks right now back at the bunker site. So, you know, quite a few blocks. So, and then I have more, you know, this is where the wood stove was sitting. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8. There's another 10 there. Another 6 here, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 blocks right there. I don't think I have any more on this side. I don't. But... yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So, you know, I have access to about 270 block that we have here on site right now. So we're going to just have to see what we can get done, what we can get squared away, and just kind of go from there. But like I said, if I just like today was no progress. Got my laundry done. So, but then I had other things that I had to take care of today, so I was doing that. But yeah, just each day I'm going to just try to get a little something done, get things squared away, and kind of go from there. But it's coming together, slow and steady, like everything else, you know what I mean? But we'll get things organized, cleaned up, squared away, and then we'll kind of figure out what we're doing from there. But getting the lawnmower, getting the four-wheeler, and, you know, the bike under cover needs to be taken care of first. So the first part of that is getting that gravel over there. So we'll see. But anyway, guys, like I said, this was just a quick video giving you an update. Sorry for nothing earlier today. Just been one of those days. You'll see progress tomorrow. All right. Remember, folks, we truly are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we are going to be in much, much better shape. Also, remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day, tomorrow's not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you are trying to do, whatever you are trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from achieving your goals is you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. I don't know if you guys hear that. That is a jet somewhere. All right, I'll see you all later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.